Alright, today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble this LED lamp. And this is model FL33, 20 watts. Alright, so let's open this up. Just arrived. Oops, sorry. Here. This is what you get. These rods, you get power supply, you get the head, you get some trash, you get an instruction booklet, and you get the base. Relatively heavy part, not too bad, not as big as some that I've had. Alright, so those are all the pieces. Okay, so there's the instruction book. Let's take the plastic off this, straight up. Okay. So now we open up the power supply. Leave that there. Okay, now critical part here you'll find is there's a 3 and a 1. So it's going to be really critical in a second. It's pretty simple though. But you know, a couple of pieces like that. So take all this off. Really easily. But you may want to grab a pair of scissors, making sure you don't cut the cord. Anyway. Okay, so you've got the 3 pieces here. Now these pieces have this extra cord in them. In the original video I saw talked about shoving it in. There's actually a better solution to that I'm going to get into in a second. So there's those 3 pieces, and then there's the single piece, and then there's the head. So the important thing to know is that the single piece goes with the head. That's kind of the trick to all of it, and it's actually really simple to assemble. Although this was actually tricky on what I did previously, but you may need to fiddle quite a bit to get it to work, because it may get jammed as you're pushing it in is the problem. But I've been lucky in this case. It gets jammed, straighten it out, take it out again and straighten it out. Use something thin to sort of push it through. Might take a few attempts. I was just kind of lucky this time. Alright, so this is the, like I said, this is the head. Now I've got the cord through. This just screws right on. Go hand tight. There you go, that's good. So that makes it kind of easy to see what's going to happen with these pieces. This is going to be the piece that connects to that. As you do that, I think, right there. So that makes that fairly simple. This one is a little bit fiddly. You don't have to push it. I wouldn't really twist it a lot. I would try to twist, try to twist the base here. Because you really don't want to be twisting this cord inside here. Alright, so that's hand tight. So that's doing pretty good. Alright, now we go to the next one. This is where I get kind of interesting. You see this extra cord here, kind of straighten it out a little bit. It doesn't need to be twisted. You see this here. Now you could try shoving it in. The other way you can actually do this, it's kind of handy, is you'll find that, whoops, yep, this is what's going to plug in. So what you can do is you can actually pull this, I'm sure you can see, it'll actually tighten it up like that. So that's the way to get rid of the excess cord. two pieces tightened up. Keep going. Yeah, it's pretty clear once it gets the hand tight. It's going to be the switch there. Alright, so let's come back to this final piece, which is the base. Alright, so now you've got this. Take the base, screw it in. There is no cord going through it, so it's just a case of getting it lined up. Okay, there we go. That's that. Go to the next connection up, final one, tighten that up. This time I'll go from the base, just kind of letting that cord flop around there. 3 more turns, and tight, and that's good. So this is going to be the power cord. So now we have the whole lamp. Actually bring the top back. I'm just going to grab the power supply. There's a nice long cord, which is good. Do that. Okay. Just going to find a plug that I can use to plug this in. There's a socket right here. So I'm just going to plug this in. I'm going to plug the base. I saw that we showed you that cord. I'm going to plug that in, and boom, we have light. And the dimmer switch here, or the switch, works one of a couple of ways. It turns it on and off, but also if you keep it on, it'll go down in intensity. If you touch it again, it'll go up in intensity, so it's like a dimmer switch. And again, if you just touch it once, twice, it turns off and on. And that's it. That's your new lamp assembled in about 7.5 minutes. Enjoy.